Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the section. Shut the supply and relieve pressure so you can work safely. Once drained, clean the threads with a wire brush and solvent to remove old sealant and corrosion because debris prevents a good seal. Make sure you have the correct wrench and matching thread types. Mismatched fittings cause leaks. Then test fit components dry to check alignment before applying any sealing material. This prevents cross-threading and ensures the threads seat evenly when you assemble. Once you confirm fit, apply PTFE tape clockwise on the male thread starting at the second thread and overlapping 3-5 times. This prevents unraveling during assembly. If using pipe dope instead, apply a thin, even coat. Pipe dope often works better for gas or high-temperature lines. Thread the fitting by hand first to avoid cross-threading, then tighten with the wrench to the manufacturer torque or snug plus 1/4 turn. This balances compression without deforming soft seals. After assembly, pressurize the system slowly and check the joint with soapy water or an electronic leak detector. Small bubbles indicate weepage. If you see a leak, depressurize, disassemble, and inspect both mating surfaces for nicks or crushed threads. Clean or recut as needed and reapply sealant properly. If threads are stripped or damaged beyond repair, install a thread insert or replace the fitting. Make sure to retest. If uncertain, consult a licensed professional to avoid safety risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.